Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje ngiphethe indaba bafethu ezishisayo nje wasesisolala nje sekuvele kwaphuma ibhomu kuthiwa i-team esayine uMhaunkoda menikhumbula kahle ke einsukwini ezidlule kuthiwa uMhaunkoda usayinwe ile club le ekuthiwa i-Al-Ittifaq le club le yase Saudi Arabia. So uMhaunkoda uyodlala kule league le edlala abo Cristiano Ronaldo nabo Benzema nabadlali abaningi nje abasuka eEurope. So uMhaunkoda uyodlala khona sekuphuma indaba ke la regarding lo club le usefuna i-teammate kaMhaunkoda okurelebohile Mofokeng. Le indaba lezi bafethu ngiyithola manje angifuna ukuqamba manga lezi indaba lezi ngiqale ngayingabaza ngisayibona. But ke uqhamukile unplayable ezosho ukuthi he can confirm that urelebohile Mofokeng is set to join uMhaunkoda le eSaudi Arabia la kudlala khona ama club amakhulu anezindodla zeimali. Sibonile ke bafethu eEurope i-attackwa ama-club amaningi asuke eSaudi Arabia. Ama-club asuke eSaudi Arabia afuna abadlali abaningi abanetalent abazodlala kule league yabo, abadlali abazokhuphuka. Abantu abaningi basayisatha kancane le league but we Al Hilal edlala khona lapha eSaudi Arabia yenze ibukayo lapha. I think ifike kuma semi-final if I'm not mistaken eClub World Cup. So le league le ngempela bafethu i-competitive. So abadlala abanjengomfukeng noMhaunkoda bazofike ba-add lapha i-value kule club le Al-Ittifaq bafethu. Menikhumbula kahle ke there were rumors regarding uMfokeng ukuthi ajoin iPSV but ke lawo ma rumors lawo avele afa nje because Orlando Pirates ifikile ya confirm ukuthi lezo indaba lezo asizona iqiniso. Nazi ke indaba sesiyithola right now ukuthi uMfokeng ngenzeka ngempela amjoine uMhaunkoda. Menikhumbula kahle ke indaba zikaNkoda zaphuma nje ekuseni kwathi mina Orlando Pirates yaconfirma ngempela ukuthi umjida useshilo Orlando Pirates useyojoina yona leya club leyani Al-Ittifaq mfethu. To be honest, angifuni uqamba manga, angizazi ngizizwe kanjani ngale indaba lezi. Angazi noma ngimjabulele uMfokeng noma angazi ngempela because ngokwami uMfokeng bengingathanda mhlamba athi ukuhlala enye season, bengingathanda mhlamba athi ngizothini athi kuyodlala mhlamba enye i-team ese-Europe because it wouldn't make sense ukuthi ayodlala noNkoda. I know mhlamba le team leya izwile ngomfokeng. Yabo I know ukuthi izwile ngomfokeng and they want to pursue ukumsayina uMfokeng. I know kuzoba imali eningi kakhulu ukuthi basayine uMfokeng. I know uNkoda bamsayina ngenye imali but uMfokeng uzobabizisa. Orlando Pirates izoyithola imali but Saudi Arabia ngiyazi ikhona imali lapha bafethu, ngiyazi angifuqa amanga. It's a good stepping stone for the boys. Bazothola imali besabancane. I think they are around 21 about 2. So yeah, it's a good deal for the boys but as the fans yabona le ngathi izoba buhlungu le angifuqa amanga. Ngathi izoba buhlungu le ukuthi uMfokeng ahamba lapha. As a fan I really like uMfokeng bafethu angifuqa amanga. But ke I'm happy for the boys, I'm happy for uNkoda, I'm happy for uMfokeng. Engawuthi bangafika lapha bafike badlale kahle. We are waiting for Orlando Pirates ukuthi confirm le indaba lezi. Okwamanje ayaka confirm abafethu, abantu abaningi basapostile ngazo. Ngithe ngihamba nje ngabona status sakhe uMhaunkoda urepostele isithombe lesi, njalo sibone lesithombe lesi. So it seems like a hint. It seems like a big hint mfethu ukuthi umjida ngenza ngempela amjoin uMhaunkoda lapha. And naye uNkoda ngwabonile ama videos akhe uhappy ngempela umjida lapha kwi-club yakhe nje. So asazi bafethu, asazi. Ungangitshela ama comments how are you feeling about this news? Uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba lezi? But me afuqa amanga. I'm not feeling okay about this news but yeah, we need to buy some new players. We need to buy some new players. It's easy as that. We cannot keep on going like this. We cannot sell abadlali and expect us to remain the same, to play the same way we played last season. Last season we were carried by these two young boys. Last season. If we let them go now, who are going to replace them? Yes, we signed Osuna Police. We signed Tsepang Morem. We signed Sepombulu. But those guys, I don't think they will top Lezenzuela budget about. So maybe I'm just saying it now because I got this season. But I don't see them. The signings I tell Masha if we will have a budget about. So I think we need abadlala basha abazovala leso sikhala. Abadlala banje mhlambo Emil Witboy, abadlala banje ngo Jaden Rhodes, abadlala banje ngo Shaquille April. You see the money we made from these two boys Why don't we take that money and buy these youngsters the Cape Town Seeds? Search for new talent elikhona la kuphethwe Premiership. Maybe go for Devin Titus. Maybe go for Basadin. I know Basadin is a defender, but why don't we splash that money? Because we just let go of our two players abadlala ngempela, our two stars, because Mfokeng i-face of Orlando Pirates. If Mfokeng ehamba uba uzobe i-face of Orlando Pirates, make hamba Mfokeng uba uzobe i-star se-Pirates. Angazi noma niya understand ukuthi mekhamba Mfokeng izinto izobheda kanjani we-Pirates. Ayekho umuntu ozobe i-star player. We cannot say Osuna Police izobe i-star player. It is his first season. Mekhamba Osuna Police uba uzobe i-star player. We don't have a star player right now. I just realized we don't have a star player mekhamba Mfokeng first. Because if ukhamba Mfokeng qala, yes uNkota bezoba i-new face of Orlando Pirates. Truth be told. Manje mekuzohamba Mfokeng naye noNkota in the same window. Afuqa ngeke kube indaba ezimnandi lezo. Orlando Pirates ingaba nenkinga ngempela eqaleni kwesizini iziphele nje. So we need to act fast, lingazilivuli bafithi lingazilivali window, ingazivuli isizini. So we need to buy new players soon as possible. Ungangitshela ama comments which players we should go for. Njengoba kuzohamba Mfokeng azojoina uMhankota. Ibapha abadlali kumele sibalande sibasayine for Orlando Pirates, because le indaba lezi asekho mnandi. Azikho nje ngempela mnandi le indaba.